Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a very popular side dish that you probably have seen at your local Korean restaurant. It's that cold served soy braised potato dish. And if you don't know what this is, I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple, delicious, savory and sweet Korean side dish called 감자 조림. So stay tuned for that. I have here 2 pounds of potatoes. It's about 5 regular sized potatoes and one little baby guy right there. Does that kind of look like something? Ew. I'm using white potatoes for this recipe as I like the fluffiness on the outside and the center to be a little bit firmer. And also, as you can see here, I have peeled and halved the potatoes and we'll be soaking these for 30 minutes to extract some of that excess starch. Do not skip this step. Here I have 1 small onion. I'm gonna cut them into 1-inch square pieces and then put it aside. Here are my soaked and strained potatoes, and let's just cut these into nice chunks. Let's try to make these chunks somewhat similar in size so that they all cook at the same rate. In my large skillet here, I'm gonna put in some olive oil. So that pan is heated up now. I'm gonna add our 2 pounds worth of potatoes. Just gonna cook these for a few minutes. Add your onions as well. Let's give everything in our skillet a nice stir now, just to make sure everything here, all the potatoes and the onions, don't burn to the bottom of the pan. I'm using a nice non-stick skillet here. You don't want to brown the onions, so make sure you move everything around every 1 minute or so. And we're cooking this at a medium-high heat. All right, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add our water and some of our ingredients. 1 cup of water going in. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Drop the heat to medium and let that simmer for 10 minutes. Gotta add 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of that. It's going in. Let's see if I can cut through this without adding too much pressure, and it seems like that piece is not cooked through yet. So what we're gonna do is just add a little bit more water so the potatoes can cook a little bit longer. It's smelling fantastic. It's going to be very delicious. I can tell by the smell already. Yeah. All right, so it looks like everything is cooked now. We're just gonna add our finishing touches. We're gonna mix in our sesame oil. In case you're wondering, I use the Kadoya brand. This stuff adds a very nice nutty flavor, but do be careful because if you add too much, it could be overpowering. Try to use what the recipe states, so just don't be dumping this stuff in, or you can just gradually add more. So start off with a little bit, taste it, and then add more if you need more sesame oil flavoring. But like I said, this stuff is pretty bold in flavor. A little bit goes a long way. Let's put some of this in. And our last ingredient is this sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of this. Let's add some white sesame seeds and also some black ones. Lastly, we're just gonna put some fresh chives on top. I'm gonna load it up with the chives. That's good flavor. Oh, I can't wait to eat that. So here it is, our 감자 조림, soy braised potatoes. Got some fresh chives, got some multicolored toasted sesame seeds there, white and black. Fluffy on the outside, savory, sweet, and a hint of nutty sesame goodness. It's an easy, very delicious side dish for Banchan. This is really commonly served at a Korean restaurant. You can make it at your own house. I'm eating it hot because I don't have the patience and I gotta finish making this video here. But please put it in the fridge. You'll thank yourself. It tastes way better cold. This will last up to 2 days, so enjoy it, eat it all. Have this with a bowl of rice and double carb it. Just go for a long run after or something. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.